Find or read reviews that people are talking of Tech Drive Bathroom Fan 110 CFM. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose that? Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose. Very quiet bathroom fan, 1.2 zones, and strong air movement, 110 CFM, for bathroom up to 110 square feet. Recommended for use in large room. 2 installation options. 1 for new construction, it can attaching the fan housing mounts to the ceiling joists, if spacing between is 12 inch. If spacing between 16 to 24 inch, it can using suspension brackets. 2 for existing construction, with no attic access installation and replaces most existing bathroom fans. It can be done entirely from the room ceiling side, no attic access needed installation. Low profile white grille cover, housing size, 9x 8.5x 6 inch with 4 inch duct. Ceiling mounting opening, 9.25x 8.9 inch. Efficient and quiet, excellent motor performance, working at least 25,000 hours. Energy Star qualified, UL and HVI certified for performance assurance. Acceptable for use over a bathtub or shower when installed in a GFCI protected branch circuit. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.